This is my 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution 8. I've had it for 15 plus years. I bought it as a broke college student, and coming up on 20 years old, it was time to clean it up a little bit. Tried to make it look as OEM and stock as possible, because I think that Mitsubishi did a really kick-ass job with this car. So it's pretty much a modest street build, OEM plus, full bolt-on, dynoed like 350 horsepower, reliable as hell. It's never left me stranded. I bought it in college for $15,000, and I don't think it's lost a bit of value since. It's got an Evo 9 turbo, 25 pounds of boost, just a simple ECU tune, and I love it. Got to get titanium hardware for this thing. Yeah, so it's pretty much just a stock block Evo 8 engine with a modified 9 turbo, 1000cc injectors, upgraded fuel pump, dual catch can system, extreme turbo systems piping, AMSOIL air filter, and all the OEM pieces that go along with it. Tried to clean up an old engine bay. These cars are generally more oversteer type vehicles.
So you find that the sway bar definitely made a big difference that you put on?
Oh, for sure. There's different settings, 3 different settings on it too, you know, in terms of firmness.
Right.
To help keep a car, an all-wheel drive car that's known to understeer from understeering is pretty much very important.
Yeah.
On roads like that.
I can definitely see that. What other suspension stuff have you done?
It's got MR suspension, Bilstein struts. It's got a Progress rear sway bar. Just various harder bushings and things like that. That's about it.
Yeah, man,
and it's lowered.
Fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. It's lowered. Yeah.
It's lowered. Back there. Damn, that stretch of road's awesome, dude.